Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoswasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Things are getting critical and worse for ubabes wama attitude uScott Maphuma njengoba sebaze bamkhansela nokumkhansela ku-gig le babambhokhe kuyo this weekend laphana Vogue champagne launch. So guys, bakhipha statement ke na aleya launch ngemva kokuthi bantu basende ama-message bawasendele i-manager yakhona lapha kokuthi sibonile kokuthi i-line-up yakho kunaScott Maphuma lapha njengoba kunaScott Maphuma, please thina sidingeni. Bra, people just said ukuthi njengoba Scott Maphuma will be amongst those people who will be performing weekend, njengoba lapha kuna Scott Maphuma ku line-up, thina ungasifaki siyobe singekho nje, thina asizi. Yo guys, and the manager was like, "Hi, but things are really getting bad for this guy." And mina ngiyawathanda ama-clients ami, ngiyawathanda abantu labangisupportako. Wakhipha guys statement lesishoko ukuthi uScott Maphuma has been cancelled. Uyabalalela abantu babakhuluma kanti bathatha serious kakhulu abantu abamsupportako, hence why afike kule decision ukuthi Scott Maphuma amkhiphe, because bantu bathini, bathi abamfoni, bathi nje loyo angaqala afike. Makungafika uScott Maphuma wade ukuthi athina siyophela endzaweni, and siyaqoqa ukuthi wonke umuntu udinga ukuthi abantu babe khona basupporte, bathenge utshwala, abantu ibhizinisi ihambe. And mantoba kuna Scott Maphuma abantu nje babeke icaca ukuthi thina ayasizi, bamkhansela mfana, bamkhansela Scott Maphuma, bamkhipha endaweni. Yabona lo mfana lona uyozafunze ukuthi iSouth Africa idlali azidlali la, and kumele abe Scott Maphuma ukuthi bendane eSouth Africa if ungabathatheli enhloko. People have been complaining about your attitude, but when I was tshela nje ukuthi awungenelani wena, hey wena ula ukhona because of yourself, not because of people. Wena you can't please people, vele wena usiyona imali. Hayi lo mfana unkosi yami kufanele afunze ngisho kulamanye ama-celebrities ukuthi ba-treat njani ma-fans abo. Yena uvele wafika njena watitshela ukuthi because sengilet hope kude mlo sodongwisa, sengila vele sengifikile, abantu sebeyangithanda kude ala sengiya khona, I'm here to stay. Kani you are actually lying bra. Bangakhipha abantu base-South Africa ndlela abanemandla ngakhona, abathathi njalo mboy. Respect abantu, bazokrenta abantu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.